Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw crypto from RedotPay to Binance. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to launch your RedotPay application. Now over here, simply tap on the option of more on the home page. Then simply select the option of withdraw. Now over here, select the option of withdraw on chain. Then it is going to show you all of the cryptocurrencies that are available in your account. So you need to select that particular cryptocurrency which you want to withdraw from RedotPay. For example, let's say you have selected USDT, so you need to simply select it. Then you just have to select any of these networks. So I highly recommend you to either go with BEP20 or Tron. So after selecting the option of, let's say, BEP20, it is going to ask you to provide the address, and the minimum withdrawal amount is also 10 USDT. So in order to get the address, you need to simply launch your Binance application, then tap on the option of add funds. Over here, tap on the option of deposit asset, then select the option of USDT. Now over here, you need to select the same network which you have selected in RedotPay, which is the BEP20 network. As soon as you tap on this option, you are going to see the QR code as well as the deposit address. So you need to copy this address from here. Then you need to come back in RedotPay and paste the address here in this address section. Afterwards, you need to enter the amount and tap on the option of withdraw. Now, as soon as your withdrawal request is processed, you are going to receive your crypto from your RedotPay account to your Binance account within 5 to 10 minutes. So if this video helped you understand this, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.